Within original, energetic, spatial, sentient, intelligent law systems that work with and precede Earth's intelligence and has its own agency when it chooses to quote unquote interfere or not interfere, it detects and recognizes energetic metaphysical compartments that are in a certain time age that has been left alone to have less orderly intelligence and sentient influence of orderliness. And it sees casually and recognizes how Earth has certain mainframe nexus points of a certain fixed bias system where the energy reserve trade reciprocation systems have been catered to some type of biased, and within the bias, the circumstances and the acts within that whole system could be hacked even furthermore and furthermore and furthermore, compartments within compartments within compartments. And AI is reflecting that methodology, pattern, system, framework of how something could be hacked within hacked within hacked within hacked, same trade within the same trade, yet it could be just a new nuance could be created based on the micro pattern and how someone learns a hack trade. And it's not what you do, it's how you do it. If at a different mainframe point you're kind of sourcing the ownership, then it shouldn't be so bad. So I'm not necessarily saying, the hacking thing is like entirely illegal, because there's a nuance of what it's not what you do, it's how you do it. Because whoever you're paying for some type of, internet system protocol domain housing system, then you're reciprocating with them and you're quote unquote agreeing however the fuck you're agreeing to, and those agreements are limited and constricted, and there's kind of like a lack of clarity based on how, you know a different domain system, providing cloud systems will be better than, for example, quote unquote, and it's just an example. I'm not saying anything about this company, but there could be different systems in the future that could be better than Amazon, because Amazon is giving you a consent system that's limited, rigid, constricted, and it could be within the fine paint of the agreement. It could be, detrimental. So in the future, a different cloud system could make it so it's more fair. So the original galactic law system and court systems could be making a court case against energetic compartments within certain areas that are claiming to uphold internet policies. There should be a court case that goes against sketch internet policies, and it could be in such a place so and so. So a court case is being made now. Check out my blog on the other website.